ambulatory versus the non-ambulatory aspect of it. Do you feel as though that that's something that should be more looked at, or something that is under observed in your opinion?
I think it was underobserved for a period of time. I think is now the scientific community, the researcher, the clinician start to take notice that there is in place of uh, uh, putting an estimate on survival, how long they're going to be living, is to take a look how long you're going to maintain their living into more functional.
Mhm.
Because I think as all this modality of treatment is going to prolong survival, and this patient is going to live to closer to normal life. So now we needed to come with a much functional. Yes, I think is uh, I don't know if I can call it missed opportunity. I would call it is we did not have yet the full understanding and the capability to create any treatment for Duchenne earlier. So we concentrate to treat early as much as possible. Um, so because you don't go immediately after the more severe part of the disease. And that is understandable. I think it's in the progression of our sciences that has allow us to move faster, allow us to take a look at the full spectrum and starting from step by step, A, B, C. Now we can go from do A, C, D, and E at the same time. For this reason, very soon we will be starting another study um, in Duchenne as another pivotal study in ambulatory patients.
Mm.
So, although the ambulatory um, sector is invaded by many trials, including the gene therapy, I think we should not dismiss the possibility if working against antifibrotic, if it can even earlier delay and minimize any of the formation of the fibrosis. Um, and later on, I still think it is about a multi-therapy for Duchenne. Is not a single therapy for Duchenne. As we will see, the combination have to be looked at. We done this in oncology a long time ago, when we used to use a single cytotoxic, and we know it didn't work, or if it worked for a very short period of time, and little by little, we start to create a protocol of combination of chemotherapies, and we start to see the survival improved and the cure rate is much higher.